Thank you so much for coming to Money for All. In this video, we will talk about one of the company that's into the financial sector. It's in the financial services, and it is in great momentum. And I think if an investor could gather some of the quantities, and if the kind of rally this stock is showing, I think people can make good amount of money through this. So I'm talking about nothing less, none other than but MK Global Financial Services Limited. So MK Global Financial Services Limited is an Indian based company. So why we are talking about this company in this video today? Because this is in great momentum. Over the last few months and years, it has given good amount of returns to its investor. So even if you talk about last 1 year, it has already given 116% return to its investor. Over the last 6 months, it has given around 50% return, and over the last five, in fact 1 month, if you say, 37%, 5 days 8%, and today also it has rallied for almost for 5%. As we already know that all the companies into financial sector are coming up with exponential results quarterly. We have a recent example of angel broking. We have all the broking companies that are into financials are generating good profit, coming up with good quarterly numbers. Why MK Global Financial Services is important right now? Because on the chart, even if you go for technical analysis, it is in fact is in the bull trend. So you can see that yellow line, which is 20-day moving average, is trending above the 50 days moving average line, which is the red line. This started when the price of the stock was around 80 rupee, and right now it is almost priced at 109 rupee. You can also see that the RSI is in the higher range, which is 50 and above, which is showing that the buying in the chart, buying in the company is happening on a regular basis. Hence the RSI is right now also at around 70. So you can see that the chart volumes are also kind of very good over the last, if you see these greens bar, the bigger green bars, earlier these were at a very small height, but now you can see that the green bars height are also growing. Hence this stock is not only growing in terms of pricing but also attracting a lot of volumes. I will take you to the fundamental of the company first. Let's check out the kind of quarterly number it is coming up with. But first of all, let me give you some of the numbers. The key fundamental number of the company. Market cap is around 268. So it has a price to earning ratio of 37, which means that on every 1 rupee that company earn, investor spend around 37 rupee. Face value of 10. Price to book is 2.05 and book value is 53. So it is almost at the double of the price at which it is represented on the book. 108 rupee right now. Let's look at the quarterly number. So when we go to the quarterly number, we can see March versus March, because last quarterly number they have come up with was the March quarter. They still have to come up with their June quarterly number. So when we see the March number, first of all, we'll go to profitability. In March, they have come up with a profitability figure of 6.77 CR, which if you see the last year, it was at a negative of 7 CR. Also, if you go to the revenue part, last year March was 30 CR and this year March is 44. So not only the revenue have grown, but also the net profit have grown. And if you see sequentially, December quarter was also negative in terms of profitability, and revenues were also negative. So that's about the kind of numbers it has come up with. I think this is the main reason for the stock, which is rallying for almost for a year. And if you see March till now, because the company has rallied almost for a year, so March number was 30 CR, June was 27, September was 37, December quarter was 32, and March again is 44. So not a very great amount of consistency in terms of quarterly number from last March till now, but this March specifically is changing the story for this. I also would like to go to the NSE website to see what kind of business it has done, what kind of volume it has driven today. So if you see right now, almost 12 lakhs of volume have been traded. There are still buying quantities that are there at a price of 109, so hence the closure price was 109. It opened at 103, took the high of 110 and kind of settled at 108. Right now, if somebody want to invest it in MK, I think the best thing to do is to let the RSI settle down, then enter. Don't jump with big volume. You can accumulate it. If you want to buy, let's say 1,000 units, you can buy 250. So in the tranche of you can split your buying in four, and whenever you see dips you can accumulate it, because MK Global Financial looks like it will not going to stop here. So if I show you the 5-year chart, this used to be a stock of around 288, and that is too in September, and then it kind of fell to in 2022 for a price of 28, and since then we are seeing a rally. So the upper pricing this stock has shown is quite, the headspace is quite much. If we actually see the current pricing and the maximum it has gone, though the maximum pricing were attained in 2017, but I still believe that this company, the kind of pace it has picked up from its down in 2020 of 28 rupees till now, which is 108, I think the momentum will going to continue, and we can very soon see targets of 150 here, because though there could be some dips whenever the RSI will going to overshoot, we will see some dips, but the momentum in MK looks like attracting a lot of investors. Also, the kind of result that is backing up this company, which has just come up in March, I think the subsequent result should also be something that investors will watch very keenly and very minutely, and people are kind of loving this company, and we will see what kind of numbers they will come up with. But for right now, the momentum is high. So this is the company I wanted to bring to you, because it's almost at its 52 weeks high, and I think it's a good company to ride with till the time momentum is sustained. So you can see that the 52-week high of this company is 110, so which today only it has made, and I think in the coming days also the momentum will be sustained. So that's about it, guys, for MK Global Financial Services. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any comments about this company, please do comment and let me know. Thank you.